My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of fake Apple security toll-free alerts. These fake alerts quote this fake Apple support number, which is 1-866-789-6918 or plus 1-866-789-6918. Now, this is a fake number. It is not associated with Windows or Microsoft, and if you see these pop-ups, do not trust them. They are fake and obviously deceptive. So if you see these fake alerts, your only correct conclusion in this case is to just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to additionally research this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and this is the way the software looks like. Install the application and start carefully investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate all other types of infections which could still possibly remain on the computer.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.